Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 172 Roosevelt Road in Brighton.
This is a classic dream home updated to perfection on beautiful Allens Creek.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy the character and charm of this classic home with today's modern updates. Featuring a white and bright kitchen with custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops with a waterfront view breakfast bar, and beautiful hardwood floors leading to a formal dining room with crown molding, built-ins, and wainscoting. An expansive living room with a gas fireplace and beautiful mantel. This home also features a relaxing screened-in porch with natural woodwork, an updated powder room, and a beautiful entryway and staircase, leading to 3 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors and an updated bathroom, including an owner's bedroom with a double closet and a window seat.
This quality-built home with major updates has exceptional craftsmanship, showcased in the custom details and woodworking, with a classic entryway and architecture, and a convenient 2-car attached garage. This amazing property has a premier location backing to beautiful Allens Creek, with 62 feet of waterfront with exquisite landscaping. Roosevelt Road is a charming neighborhood of fine homes, with easy access to everything that Brighton has to offer. Here we are at the 12 corners of Brighton.
It has great restaurants, shops, and nearby Brighton schools. What a great place to live. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 172 Roosevelt Road in Brighton.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.